everyone, thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love hearing from all of you. Today we are making a cider sausage pie. To begin with, we need 400 grams of sausages and we're just going to brown those on each side. Mine were venison sausages, so they might be an odd colour. For our prep, we need 1 leek, trimmed, washed and sliced, 1 onion peeled and diced, 2 carrots peeled and sliced, and 150 grams of swede, peeled and cut into 1 centimetre diced cubes. Once you're happy with your sausages, you'll be taking them off the heat and out the pan. If you can, like mine, I would recommend doing your leek and onion in the slow cooker. Obviously, if you don't have that function, you are then going to cook the leek and onions in the previous pan for 6 to 8 minutes, just until they're soft. We'll then be cutting each sausage into 4. We'll add that to the slow cooker along with the carrots and swede. We need 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and you'll be crumbling in 2 chicken stock cubes. Mine were a cheap brand, so they didn't really want to crumble. We then need 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of your cider. It'll be 350 in total. To mix together to make a slurry. I just kind of threw mine in because I thought if we're just going to add it all, we'll just give it a good mix. So that's what I did, but it's up to you if you want to create like a corn flour mix first to add in, and then add in the rest of your cider. This will be going to cook on either high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. For our pie topping, we are doing 600 grams of potatoes. Just before the sausages are ready, we will be boiling those in salted water for 15 minutes. Drain those off, and then we need a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 80 grams of cheddar. Give that a good stir and a mash and a season. Pop it on top. So it says here as well, if you've got one of those slow cookers that can go under the grill, use that one. I just thought it was safer just to put it in a separate dish, but we'll pop that under the grill until it's lightly browned. It should be about 5 minutes. Let me know if you try this one and how you get on. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.